Hello amigos, I hope you all are doing fine. My name is Pratik and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a ring light from Digitech company, which is a 19-inch ring light, and I'm just going to start the video. I'm not going to do unboxing because I've done the overall video on my Hindi channel. So if you want to see the unboxing, what all contents you get in the box and what is the unboxing experience, so you can just click on the I button, or I'll just put down the link in the description so you can check the unboxing over on my Hindi channel. Basically, yes, I'll show what all you get in the box but not the unboxing video. So without wasting any time, we'll just start the video. But if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Let's start the video. I'll just let you know the basic features of this ring light. It has a power output of 55 watt and the luminance is about around 5000 lm, and you get a color temperature range from 3200K to 6500K, which is mentioned on the box, but on the ring light itself it is mentioned around 3200K to 5500K. I need to check that. And moving forward, in the box you get a power adapter. It is a 75 watt power adapter. You can just connect this on the back side of the ring light and you can just power it on. And you also get a remote to see. So this is the remote. It is a remote operated, or you can operate it with the remote, and which is a good thing. You don't have to move around. You don't have to get up and set the temperature each and every time. You can just sit on one place and you can control whatever light temperature you want with the help of this remote. And moving forward, you get a mount in the box, which is basically this kind of mount. I hope you are able to see it. I think you are able to see it now. So this kind of mount you get, so you can just mount it on your ring light and you can attach your camera or mobile holder on this one and you can just start shooting. You also get a flexible mobile holder like this one. You also get a flexible mobile holder with this ring light, which is a good thing. You can just just mount it on the ring light. It also has a 3 horseshoe, so you can mount it on the ring light and you can just shoot with your mobile directly. And the next thing here is this. So this kind of mount you get with the ring light. So basically these are the accessories which you can mount on the ring light, and you can connect your DSLR or your mobile phones on it and you can just start shooting. And at the end you get a bag, so you can carry this bag, which is a very good bag, I guess. You can just carry your ring light in this bag and you can travel. If you want a ring light with you, you can carry in this bag and you can just go on wherever you want to shoot. You can just mount the ring light and you can just start shooting. So it's very simple. But where is the ring light? This is the 19-inch ring light from Digitech company. Here you can see, and nothing much on the front side. It's just the 19-inch ring light, but on the back side you can see over here you will get control knobs over here. You have USB over here, you have a power output over there, so you can connect your power adapter at this point and you can just start the ring light. And at the bottom, I'll just show you at the bottom, if you're able to see at this. Yeah, this is the point where you can connect this ring light to a tripod or a light stand. So basically you just have to unscrew this one, this little screw over here, and you can mount it on the light stand or the tripod stand. And these two compartments over here on the back side of the ring light are for the batteries. So you can connect the batteries to it if you don't like there is a power outage or something, the power is gone, and you have a good option to connect the batteries and you can use the ring light on batteries also. So I'll just quickly set up this ring light on a light stand and I'll show you what kind of light or what kind of brightness, color temperature it gives. And would you like to use a ring light in your videos? Just let me know in the comment section, guys. So I'll just quickly set up the ring light and get back to you. So I've done the setup. I have mounted the ring light on the light stand, as you can see in the background. I'll just show you. So this is how it looks when you mount on the light stand. So as I told you earlier in the video, you just have to unscrew this bottom screw and you have to adjust the light on the light stand properly, and then you have to tighten it up, and then make sure that the screw is tight so that your light is stable and it does not shake. There is one more screw over here which is on this side, so you have two. I'll just show you what it does. Basically it for the tilting purpose, like if you want your light to be on a certain angle, you can just unscrew that one. You can set the tilt level and you can just tighten it up. So that screw is for the tilt purpose. So this is how it is done, and I hope you got how to mount it. The next thing is like you can see the control knobs over here. I told you the left knob on the back side is for the color temperature adjustment. So you can choose the color temperature whatever you want, and the knob on the right side, that knob is for the brightness, so you can adjust the brightness as per your choice. So I'll just quickly connect the power to the ring light, and so this is the power cable. I hope you're able to see. So this is the power cable you have to connect on the back side. So once you connect it, so you can see, just watch on the wall at the back side. I'll show you how the color temperature is and what kind of brightness you will get. So you have to you have to just turn on the brightness knob. You have to turn it on. Did you hear that click sound? So it means it is on, and now you can see it is a bit light up, but the brightness is low, which is why it is not that much brighten up. Yeah, we'll see. Just watch on the wall now. See. So you have noticed on the wall right now that how much bright it is. But I'll do one thing now. The shade, the color temperature on the ring light is now on the yellower side. So I'll just make it on the, I want a white color. So I'll just move the color temperature knob, which is on the left side of the ring light. So I'll just do it. So see, if you move, if you increase, so the light is now white, and you can adjust the brightness however you want. One more thing, I'll just show you how to use it with a remote. Now this is the remote. As I said, you can operate via remote. Currently everything is set, and I'll just turn on. Did you see? So this is how you can turn on, and now I'll just turn it off. So this is how it turns on and off. Now I'll show you how to adjust the color temperature. This knob over here, you can see these are the buttons by which you can increase or decrease the color temperature. So I'll just change it now. So it is on the yellow side now, and I'll just turn it once again on the white side. Yeah. So this is how you can operate with a remote, and there are some quick buttons as well. You can see there is CT minus and CT plus. So basically it is a color temperature you can adjust. So what I'll do is I'll just click on CT plus right now. See, so immediately the color changed from white to yellow, and I'll just do CT minus now, and it turns to white. So you can just adjust the brightness however you want. These buttons over here, these buttons, so with this you can adjust the brightness level over here. So currently it's at low, and now it is increased. So this is how you can operate the ring light with your remote and the attachment. I'll just turn it off for now. So basically the mounts you get, like I told you, you can use these mounts to operate, to mount your cameras and your mobile phones on the ring light. One thing I'll show you, you get this kind of mount. So this is the mount you can attach at the bottom of this flexible mobile holder. So I'll just attach it, and once it is done, you can there are 3 horseshoe mount on this bottom side of the ring light. So I'll just show you. So this you have to attach over here, and you have to just tighten it up properly. So now it is fixed very properly. So here you can attach your mobile phone, and then you can just start recording. So this is the simple setup. It is a very simple setup, and if you are a content creator or a videographer or someone who is just sitting in his room or bedroom and just want to shoot a video and just want a good source of light, if you don't have a natural source of light, you can definitely use a ring light, and one ring light will be more than enough for you. at the start. One more thing I'll show you. I'll just turn off the studio lights now, and I'll just show you what kind of brightness I can achieve from this single ring light. So I'll be back in a moment. So I have done the setup of ring light. I have mounted the ring light in front of me, and now I will show you how the brightness level I am getting with the help of the single light. I'll just turn off the studio lights for now, and then you can check what kind of brightness I am getting, or what kind of lighting and color illuminations I can achieve just using this ring light. I'll just turn off the light. One moment. We are in the dark now. Only background light is on. So I'll just turn on the ring light with the help of this remote, and now you can see what kind of light I am getting. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. So this is somewhat you can achieve when you turn on the ring light. It's just a single light. It's just in front of me, and I'll even on the corners, I guess you can see a white light over there. So I'll just reduce the brightness, and here we go. So you can adjust however you want. I am increasing it once again, and I'll just change the color temperature. This is the yellow light now, and I'll just reduce the brightness. So this is how it looks when I reduce the brightness, and this is how it looks when I increase the brightness. And I'll switch back to the white light. So this is the white light. I'll just reduce the brightness a bit, and here you can see what kind of video I am getting with a single ring light. If you don't have a budget of this one big ring light, I will suggest you to go for 2 ring lights in small sizes. One you can keep on your left, and one you can keep on your right, and you can achieve pretty much closer look to that studio lights. And it is very easy to use. You don't have to do, or you don't have to understand any big things in this one. It's just simple mount, just connect the cables and just start using it. You can even operate it this ring light with the remote, not other ring lights. But yes, you do get a knob, or you do get part where you can control the brightness and all on other ring lights also. So I hope you have pretty much understood how to use a ring light, or how to mount a ring light. And one single light can definitely solve all your lighting problems at the base level at least. So I would seriously suggest, if anyone is not using any kind of light in the videos, please start using one. If you don't have a budget of studio lights, just go and buy a ring light and just start shooting. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If you like today's video, please hit a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you have any of your friends who is shooting without light, and if you think he needs to see this video, just share the video with him, and please subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.